Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can disable aim assist in hyperspace. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is right click, go to settings, and then you're gonna select the gameplay here. In gameplay, you want to scroll down below, and you're gonna see it right here, aim assist. And you just want to disable it, click off. So again, you go to settings, aim assist, and click off. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.